Gravel cycling is booming, and riders want bikes that are rugged but efficient. This guide reviews 5 top-notch picks, from hybrid bikes to performance road machines, and even crucial accessories like chain lube, pedals, and bottle cages. We evaluate each one for build quality, versatility, parts, and value.
Number 1. The Avasta Jupiter 700C Road Adult Stepover Hybrid Cycling Bike. The Avasta Jupiter 700C is a remarkably versatile hybrid bike that's well-suited for gravel paths as well as urban commuting. Built around a lightweight aluminum frame, this bike offers a comfortable but efficient ride with enough stiffness to handle longer distances without being overly aggressive. According to the product specs, it comes in a 21-speed drivetrain, giving you a wide range of gearing to tackle rolling terrain or steeper climbs. One of the standout features is its dual disc brakes, which deliver confident stopping power, especially when you're riding on loose gravel or mixed surfaces. The Stepover standard frame design makes mounting and dismounting easier, and the frame comes in multiple colors so you can choose a style that suits you. In terms of comfort, the 700C wheels provide a good balance between rolling efficiency and stability, especially when paired with moderately wide tires, as is common on hybrid bikes, though the exact tire width depends on the build. The bike is also relatively light. UBI lists it at around 30 pounds, 13.6 kilograms, depending on the version. For value, this bike is a solid choice. You're getting a robust frame, a reliable drivetrain, and safety via disc brakes, all at a more accessible price point compared to high-end gravel-specific bikes. The trade-off? It's not a dedicated gravel race bike, so if you're pushing for ultra-rough terrain or super high speeds, you might want a more specialized model. But for someone who wants a do-it-all ride for weekend gravel, commuting, or mixed surface touring, the Avasta Jupiter is a very compelling choice.
List number 2. Schwinn Fastback Adult Performance Road Bike. The Schwinn Fastback series, particularly this performance road bike, is a classic pick for riders looking to step into serious road or gravel-style riding without a massive budget. The frame is made from lightweight aluminum, which keeps weight down while maintaining durability. It comes with 700C wheels, which are ideal for covering long distances with speed and stability. In terms of gearing, depending on the specific fastback model, you'll typically see 14 to 18 speeds. Some versions use Shimano Claris or Sora components. This gives you enough flexibility for climbing hills or sprinting on flat roads, making it a solid option for both commuting and more spirited rides. Braking comes from Promax aluminum caliper brakes, which are light and efficient for road use, though they may not offer as much modulation or power as higher-end disc brakes, something to keep in mind for gravel descents or rough terrain. The wheels use double-wall Alex X2200 rims, which balance durability and weight. Comfort is also well thought out. Schwinn includes a performance-style saddle, ergonomic handlebar design, and bar tape to help absorb road vibration. For many beginner to intermediate riders, this bike provides a performance feel without requiring pro-level commitment or budget.
List number 3. Muck-Off Bio Dry Bike Chain Lube with Microfiber Cloth. While not a bike, the Muck-Off Bio Dry Chain Lube is one of those small but absolutely essential tools for keeping your gravel setup running smoothly. This lubricant features a wax-based formula that excels in dry, dusty conditions, Muck-Off UK. That makes it particularly well-suited for gravel rides where grit and grit-generated dust are common. One of the biggest benefits of this wax lube is that it penetrates deep into the chain links and provides a protective layer without attracting as much dirt as oily lubes, Muck-Off USA. That means you can go further between cleanings and your drivetrain stays quieter and more efficient. The Muck-Off formula is also biodegradable, which is a plus for environmentally conscious riders, Muck-Off UK. The product often ships with a microfiber cloth, which is very handy. After applying the lube, you wipe off the excess, and the cloth helps you keep things clean and tidy. Walmart. Application is simple. Apply while spinning the chain in reverse, let it sit, then wipe off the extra. Muck-Off USA.
In terms of value, this lube punches above its weight. It's affordable, effective, and clean running. On dry or dusty gravel rides, it's especially effective. Though if you were riding in very wet or muddy terrain, you might want to pair it with a different lube suited for those conditions. But for general gravel use, Muck Off Bio Dry is a smart pick.
List number 4. Shimano PD 500 SPD pedals. The Shimano PD 500 pedals are a clever hybrid solution for gravel riders who want flexibility. On one side, they offer a Shimano SPD clip-in mechanism, and on the other side, a concave flat platform for regular shoes. This means you don't always have to ride in cycling-specific shoes. Very handy for mixed-use gravel tours or commuting. The SPD side features adjustable tension, so you can dial in how tight the engagement is. Meanwhile, the platform side has 8 replaceable pins, giving you better grip when riding flats, even in wet or dirty conditions. The pedal body is made from aluminum, and the axle is chromoly steel, making the whole unit durable, but not overly heavy. Shimano also uses low-maintenance seal bearings, so these pedals are built to last. And for touring or daily riding, they're especially practical. Many commuters or gravel riders appreciate the dual-mode nature. You clip in for performance and use regular shoes when you're off the bike. According to Shimano's own description, they designed these pedals exactly for that kind of hybrid use. Some users on Reddit note one drawback. The height difference between the clipped inside and flat side can be noticeable, meaning you may need to adjust your saddle height depending on which side you're using. Quote, "The total height of pedal and shoe is quite a bit higher with clipless. I find that I have to adjust my saddle height for the pedal side I use." Reddit. Still, for many, the trade-off is worth it for the versatility. All in all, the PD 500 pedals are an excellent choice for gravel riders who want performance and practicality in one package.
List number 5. Ultralight Bicycle Water Bottle Cage, Universal Bike Cup Holder. Hydration is key on gravel rides, and the right bottle cage can make or break your setup. The ultralight bicycle water bottle cage, often made from PC or polycarbonate or lightweight plastic, is a no-frills yet highly functional pick. For example, one widely available version weighs only about 4 ounces or 113 grams, making it extremely lightweight yet sturdy. Despite the low weight, it retains secure bottle retention. The design grips most standard bike bottles and many oversized ones, keeping them firmly in place even when you're hammering down rough terrain. The material is also resistant to scratching or damaging your bike frame, which is important for gravel bikes that may take more knocks or vibration than a smooth road bike. Installation is straightforward. These cages typically use the standard 2-screw mounts, brass-ons, found on most bike frames. Because of its simplicity and reliability, this ultralight cage is often recommended in buyer guides as a dependable and affordable hydration solution. From a value standpoint, it's a very low-risk addition to your gravel rig, durable, light, cheap, and easy to install. Whether you're doing long gravel routes or commuting, having a reliable bottle cage that doesn't add much weight is a smart move.